In terms of that practical thing, whether be it an Edwards or a Medtronic, because you have to go through. So Edwards you may get away, but there's no reason to fuff around after freshly implanted valve. It's safest always to do the current. But that is depending on whether it's really critical. Today I'm very delighted to say that MGM Healthcare is India's TAVR Center of Excellence for Edwards Life Sciences Transcatheter Valve Therapy. As a result, today we had a workshop, a TAVR workshop. We had senior cardiologists from Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai and other places of India come down to Chennai here at MGM Healthcare. Today we performed a heart valve replacement, i.e. TAVR, without anesthesia, under local anesthesia, where we replaced a gentleman's aortic valve. He was admitted to hospital yesterday. I expect him to go home tomorrow. He had a successful procedure. We're very pleased to meet so many people across the country come down to Chennai, and my gratitudes to MGM Healthcare for providing the infrastructure to support such cutting-edge treatments towards safe and secure treatment delivery for patients of this country. Thank you.